Hello guys, our next video is about totally about logistic regression. Okay, so what is logistic regression? In this, we are going to learn about performing the logistic regression, how we can going to perform the logistic regression, and the next is performing the Poisson regression. These are the types of regression modeling. Okay. Now, the logistic regression is a statistical method. As already I told about the regression, it is a statistical method or use statistical statistics techniques for logistic and Poisson and linear regression used for binary classification task where the dependent variable has two possible outcomes such as 0 and 1, yes, no, or we can say true or false. It predicts the probability that a given input belongs to a particular class using the logistic or we can say sigmoid function which maps value between 0 and 1 जो कि 0 and 1 के बीच में value map करता है. How to perform the logistic regression using Python? So here is the example for separate the variable, that is logic regression is commonly used for algorithm for binary classification. Logistic regression हमारे जनरली बाइनरी क्लासिफिकेशन टास्क के लिए यूज किया जाता है. इसमें हम पांडा को इंपोर्ट करेंगे, नमपाई को इंपोर्ट करेंगे, स्टेट्समैन मॉडल. आई थिंक वी शुड हैव टू switch to Google Colab. Yeah, here is our Google Colab. How to perform the logistic regression? So इसके लिए भी हमको SCI कैटलॉन को यूज करना पड़ेगा. इंपोर्ट पांडा, मॉडल सिलेक्शन, स्किल एंड मॉडल सिलेक्शन, ट्रेन टेस्ट बेस्ड लॉजिस्टिक रिग्रेशन. हमने यहाँ पे नया मॉडल इंपोर्ट किया है. एंड एक्यूरेसी, कंफ्यूजन मैट्रिक्स एंड क्लासिफिकेशन, ये सब हमने रिग्रेशन में ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं हम लोग. सैम्पल बाइनरी क्लासिफिकेशन डेटा, द binary classification data is here and it is inserted inside the data frame. Features and targets are defined. Split the data into the training sets and test sets. Build the logistic regression model. Now it is our important thing that how we can build the logistic regression model. So it is totally done by our method, logistic regression method. Okay, log regression में हमने उसको initialize किया है. Then predict and evaluate the value. Predict and evaluate the value. As you know, regression में हम डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल की वैल्यू को predict करते हैं. So we are predicting here and evaluating the value and talk about the accuracy score, confusion matrix and classification report. Now we are going to execute the command. It will show our accuracy score, that is 1.0, and the confusion matrix is formed as 2001 and classification report is given as precision कितना है, recall कितना है, and F1 score कितना है, and support कितना है. This is our classification report. Okay. Now, how to perform the Poisson regression? This is all about the logistic regression, and another type of the regression is Poisson regression. Then how to perform this type of Poisson regression is importing the NumPy and Panda package and states model.api as SM. Okay. Now our sample data is hours studied and grades, and the data is inserted inside the data frame. Features and targets are set. Now a constant is added to the feature SMX. SM.8 constant, that is X, and build the Poisson regression model is done by the Poisson model SM.glm y comma x comma family equals to sm.families.poisson.fit. So it will build our Poisson regression model and print the summary. It will print the summary of Poisson model dot summary. That is, now execute the code. This is our generalized linear model regression result. Okay. Now, डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल हमारे ग्रेड्स है, मॉडल हमारा GLM है, मॉडल फैमिली हमारी पॉइजन है, लिंक फंक्शन लॉग है, मेथड एज IRL, date is given as 4 December 2024, that is today's date, timing is 13:53:38 according my laptop, and no iterations, number of iterations, sorry, that is four number of iterations, covariance type, non-robust, and number of observation 8, df residual, df model, scale, log. As you see, there are number of as characteristics that are shown by the model regression model. Now, the constant and the R studies is also shown here. So it is totally about the logistic regression and Poisson regression model. So hope you will understand about this. Thank you so much. मिलते हैं next video में.